Hey, it's Valentine's Day. It's that time of year, it's that week that we can actually reflect on loved ones. We can take a moment, step back. We may not have an immediate partner. Bring in a neighbor, come into S+L, let us cook for you. I love Valentine's Day. I love these times of years because this is what I fell in love with cooking. Bring in a community, this is what I cook. The lamb pops is a perfect example of that. It's a shareable dish. We can enjoy it together. It's an amazing moment. Take this week, find a loved one, come in, make a reservation, enjoy the lamb pops. Happy Valentine's Day, guys.